In this video, I want to talk about a very common question that I've been getting from family and friends, and this is, what laundry do you use and what chemicals should I look out for? We now live in a time where people's perspectives are changing and new information has been uncovered rather than discovered. And I say this because the ones who make these products filled with toxins just never disclosed it until recent years. And now people are looking for healthier alternatives. Times have changed. What people used then to wash clothes was what their parents and grandparents used, and many families didn't even have access to healthy grocery stores like Sprouts or Whole Foods, or even online stores that offered cleaning products without the nasty stuff. So more and more people are now looking for ways to make those changes, but it can be so overwhelming and you might feel very stuck. I've put together this video for you to simplify this information and basically just explain it in understandable phrases, what common ingredients to look out for when choosing any cleaning product, and give you options on what you can use instead. I won't even try to pronounce the names of these chemicals, but simply showcase them one by one on the screen. Here are common ingredients to avoid: synthetic fragrances, harmful dyes, optical brighteners, chlorine, formaldehyde, phosphates, sodium lauryl sulfate. This one, and this one. Did you know that it's not required to list the ingredients on the packaging of laundry detergents? So here are 11 harmful ingredients found in laundry detergent. The first one is synthetic fragrances. Fragrances cause allergies and is toxic to our immune system. It also irritates our respiratory system, and you might want to look for laundry soap with plant-based essential oils and fragrances that are free of harmful ingredients. Now the next chemical to avoid in laundry detergents is optical brighteners. Now optical brighteners cause skin irritations as well. They accumulate in the environment and are toxic to aquatic life. They are found in many conventional laundry detergents to make fabric only appear brighter. The next one you want to look out for and avoid completely is chlorine. Chlorine is a toxic gas that attacks the respiratory system, eyes, and skin. It tends to accumulate at the bottom of poorly ventilated spaces. Chlorine gas is a strong oxidizer, which means that they may react with flammable materials. The next one on the list is formaldehyde. This is another common preservative used in cosmetics, nail polish, and other skincare products. Now the next chemical in the list is phosphates. They're often used in soft plastics like PVC and a component in some fragrances. The next one is the common surfactant and emulsifier that is used as a cleaning and foaming in laundry detergents. The 1,4-dioxane, or just dioxane on some labels, is a contaminant known carcinogen, which means it causes cancer, and appears on California's Prop 65 list of ingredients to avoid. It is also irritating to the eyes and respiratory tract, and its exposure may cause damage to the central nervous system, liver, and kidneys. In a 1978 mortality study conducted on workers exposed to 1,4-dioxane, they observed the number of deaths from cancer was not significantly different from the expected number. Considering all of this information involved, I know that it was quite a lot of information. I have gathered this information from reliable sources, and I will make sure to link them all down below in the description if you want to check out more in detail. Now to the next question, which is, okay, now I know what ingredients to avoid. How can I transition to one that doesn't have all these nasty chemicals? If this is your first time doing this, you can choose to either take one step at a time and try brands that are non-toxic but not completely waste-free, as they still come in plastic packaging, but will definitely help you feel at ease that all these toxins are not entering your and your family's systems anymore. Traditionally, Castile soap was made of olive oil, and it gets its name from the Castile region of Spain. These days, the soap is also made with coconut, castor, or hemp oils, and sometimes it's even made with avocado, walnuts, and even almond oils as well. The great benefit of Castile soap is that it's gentle and it cleanses without the toxins. It's safe for sensitive skin. It even helps with oily and acne-prone skin. It's naturally hydrating, and it also contains antibacterial properties. You can try the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I love this one because all of the ingredients is non-toxic. They use essential oils, and it lasts for a very long time because it's concentrated, so you can easily dilute it with water if you needed to. And if you can't find the Dr. Bronner's kind, I think any Castile soap will do. The next laundry soap I recommend is the Thieves laundry soap from Young Living. They have a Thieves laundry soap which is plant-based, it's concentrated with pure essential oils, and it has powerful enzymes that clean your clothes and leave them fresh. Now the next ingredient or laundry essential you can add to your list would be baking soda. A great addition for a natural fabric softener or controlling excess suds. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and cleanser. It brightens your clothes, it cleans the clothes, it dissolves detergent residue, and it removes bad odors. So baking soda will make your colored clothing brighter and your whites whiter. The other great thing about baking soda is that it's super inexpensive, super affordable. You can find this anywhere, even at the dollar stores. I've been able to find them for 79 cents a box. The next alternative is apple cider vinegar. It's great for removing bacteria and dirt and also to remove stains. The next one on my list for you to try is laundry soap that I found at Sprouts. All of the ingredients are natural. So they use coconut oil. They also use baking soda, which of course, as we already found, it helps with the odors. And they also use vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a natural fabric softener. They have different scents, but my favorite one for sure is the frankincense and myrrh. And I've also found that it's really good to clean the bathtub and the sink as well, because it's super concentrated, it's super soapy, and all of the ingredients are just super good to clean your entire house with. Now for the next one on the list, Bioenzyme Laundry Booster. This is from the company called Dirty Labs. The packaging is made out of recyclable cardboard. The only way I was able to try it out was ordering it from Amazon, or you could just order it from the website itself. It was definitely a lot of info in such a short amount of time, but you're free to go back and review anything you were still confused about. That's the beauty of videos after all. If you found any of this information helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you have not already done so. And I would love to know in the comments which alternative you'll be giving a try. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.